This is Practice It, exercise 17.1, count left nodes. The problem reads, write a method, count left nodes, that returns the number of left children in the tree. A left child is a node that appears as the root of the left-hand subtree of another node. An empty tree has 0 left nodes. For example, the following tree has 4 left children. The nodes storing the values 5, 1, 4, and 7. Assume that you are adding this method to int tree class as defined below. Okay, so we'll first start by adding our method. So we'll say public int count left nodes. All right. And then we're going to actually store everything like the function wise of counting inside a private method. So we're just going to say return, and then we're going to call that like count. Okay, and then since we have this private variable, we're just going to use that for this. Okay, and all right, and then that's it for our public. And then for our private count, int count, sorry, and then we're going to use int tree node, and then we're just gonna call this node, just to make it simple. All right, and then we'll add our logic inside here. So let's say if we'll start with this condition, an empty tree has 0 left nodes. So we'll say if the node is null, meaning there's nothing inside, then we'll just return 0, right? Because we can't count anything. And we'll say int, we'll just call this C, and then if we count, so we're referring back to this, so int C equals count, and then we're going to say node.write to count our right nodes, and after we're just going to say if node.left, when we're referring to our left node is not null, sorry, then we're going to add the count for that, right? So C plus equals 1, and then plus count, and then node.left, like this. Okay, and so what this is doing is this is accounting for our null nodes, so that means we're going to return 0, right? And then this one we're accounting for our right node, because our left node can branch off from our right node, right? And then for this one is we're accounting for all the nodes that are not null, which in this case we are pretty much adding 1 plus the original count of the left node that we have. Okay, and then in the end we're just going to say return C, right? And let's run that. And yep, all our test cases are passed. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments, but otherwise that's all for this problem, and we'll see you next time.